The ultimate muscle building breakfast. You need to try this. My buddy, Chris, he's been grinding in the gym for months, pushing hard, sweating buckets, but those muscle gains? They were just nowhere to be found. Frustration was setting in. He was trying everything, new workout plans, supplements, you name it. But the truth? It wasn't his workouts that were holding him back. It was something much simpler, something he never thought could make such a huge difference: his breakfast. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your go-to source for fitness and health, here with a story about how one meal changed the game for Chris and could do the same for you. If you're struggling to pack on muscle, then what I'm about to share could be the missing piece to your puzzle. Because breakfast, my friends, isn't just a meal, it's the launchpad for your entire day of gains. Now, you've probably heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but that's more than just a saying, especially if you're serious about muscle building. See, your body's like a car that's been parked overnight. It needs the right fuel to hit top speed in the morning. And if you skip breakfast, or worse, fill up on sugary cereals or just a cup of coffee, you're already setting yourself back. Chris was doing just that. And like many of us, he thought that as long as he hit the gym hard, it'd all balance out. But muscle growth doesn't work that way. It's not just about tearing down muscle fibers, it's about rebuilding them stronger. And without the right nutrients in your system at the start of the day, you're missing out on a prime opportunity for growth. So, what made the difference? One simple breakfast change. He swapped out the quick fixes for what I'm about to share with you, the ultimate muscle building breakfast recipe. It's not just a meal, it's a formula for gains. Let's break it down. You're going to need rolled oats for your base, a great source of complex carbs to give you long-lasting energy. Then, a scoop of protein powder to supply the amino acids your muscles crave after a night of fasting. Add a tablespoon of nut butter, and you've got healthy fats to keep you fueled for hours. And finally, a banana for natural sweetness and extra nutrients like potassium, which is essential for muscle function. Start by cooking your oats in water or milk, your choice, though I recommend milk if you want that creamy texture. Once it's all cooked up, stir in the protein powder and nut butter until it's well blended. Then, top it off with your sliced banana, and for an extra touch, sprinkle some cinnamon on top. This isn't just a random mix of ingredients, it's designed to give you a balanced dose of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs, all working together to fuel your workouts and recovery. And guess what happened after Chris made this breakfast a daily habit? Within just a few weeks, he started noticing changes. Not just in how he felt during workouts, but in the mirror, too. Those muscle gains that had seemed impossible started to become his reality. Why? Because he was finally giving his body the right kind of fuel. Now, here's the best part. You can customize this recipe to suit your dietary needs. Vegan? Swap out the whey protein for a plant-based option and use almond butter instead. Gluten-free? Make sure to grab certified gluten-free oats. You can even throw in some berries or Greek yogurt if you want to switch things up. The beauty of this breakfast is its flexibility. It can adapt to your lifestyle without sacrificing any of its muscle-building benefits. Remember, though, consistency is key. This isn't about having one healthy breakfast and expecting magic results. It's about making this a daily habit, something you look forward to each morning because you know it's setting you up for success. Your body will thank you when you feel the difference in your energy levels, strength, and recovery. Let's do a quick recap. The ultimate muscle-building breakfast is more than just food, it's a strategy. It gives you the perfect blend of protein, healthy fats, and carbs to kickstart your day and fuel your gains. By ditching those breakfast blunders and committing to this powerhouse recipe, you're giving yourself the edge to take your fitness to the next level. So, if you're ready to transform your mornings and fuel your gains like Chris did, this is where it starts. Try out the recipe, stick to it, and drop a comment below to share your results. I want to hear how it works for you. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that subscribe button because we've got plenty more fitness tips and recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching, and keep fueling those gains.